Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will teach you the pseudocodes as in top service-based companies. We have also planned to make a series of videos on solving previous replacement papers. So subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. So let's start the video.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
They have declared PQR as integer data type, and they have also initialized P equal to 6, Q equal to 5, and R equal to 6. So we need to evaluate R plus R, XR Q. Find the value of P. So let's do that. R plus R, XR Q. R plus R means 6 plus 6. We need to evaluate this inside a bracket first. 12 XR 5. 12 XR 5 means we need to convert 12 and 5 to its binary format, and we need to evaluate the XOR operation. In this case, it is a binary format for 12 and this is a binary format of 5. After solving using XOR operation, it will become 9. So P equal to 9. So we need to evaluate for loop. In first iteration, R equal to 4, and in second iteration, R equal to 5. We need to run for first iteration, R equal to 4. This one, R equal to 4. We need to check for the condition. If P less than Q or P plus Q greater than R minus P. This is the first part and this is the second part. If any one of the part is true, we can enter the if, or else we need to skip the iteration and we need to move on to the next iteration. So we need to check for the first part. P less than Q. P less than Q means P equal to 9, Q equal to 5. So 9 less than 5. The condition is false. So we need to evaluate for the second part. P plus Q greater than R minus P. So P plus Q means 14. R minus P means minus 5. So 14 greater than minus 5. So the condition is true. So here false, this one false, and this one true. So false or true, resulting in true. So we can enter the loop Q equal to R XOR 6 plus R. We need to evaluate this thing R XOR 6. This one R XOR 6 plus R. Currently R equal to 6. So we can evaluate. No, currently R equal to 4. We are running this one alone. We don't need to include this thing. We need to include this one R equal to 4. R 4 XOR 6 plus 4. So 4 XOR 6 means 100 110. After doing the XOR operation, we will be getting 2. So 2 plus 4 means 6. So the value of Q is 6. We have evaluated Q equal to 6. We need to skip the current iteration. If we fall under continue, so we need to move on to the next iteration. R equal to 5. R equal to 5. We need to check again first part and second part. First part will be P less than Q. P less than Q means 9 less than 6. It is false. So we need to check for second condition. P plus Q greater than R minus P. P plus Q means 15. R minus P means minus 4. This condition is true. So any one of the condition is true means we can enter the if condition. So here also Q equal to R XOR 6 plus R. Q equal to, in this case, R equal to 5. So we can define like 5 XOR 6 plus R. R will be 5. For evaluating this thing, we can use this format. Like the binary format of 5 is 101 and the binary format of 6 is 110. After evaluating the XOR operation, we will be getting 3 as answer. So for this part, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 means 8. So we have evaluated for R equal to 4 and R equal to 5. So the for loop is ended. And we need to move on to this line. P plus Q. P plus Q means P equal to 9. P equal to 9. Q equal to 8. So we can define like 9 plus 8, 17. So 17 will be our final answer for this pseudocode. So clear? We can move to the next question, the second question. This is the second question.
Before we jump to the next question, I would like to highlight about the resources. If you are looking for the latest resources, then please consider the prime materials available at topmate.io/technology.uf. Here you will get all the things like updated gamified rounds and web-based questions, SQL questions. All the updated patterns are available there. So please go through that, because here we have uploaded from cognitive sections to technical sections, from communication to mock test to interview experience, everything's are available. So please go through that huge amount of screenshots of real exam questions of merchant metal and hire pro, all are available. So please go through that, it will be helpful for you. You can see the feedback of students provided below, so please go through the link given in the description box or in the comment section. Thank you. Let me discuss the next.
Like they have said a b c in integer data type. They have also initialized a equal to 0, b equal to, and c equal to 7, c equal to 9 plus b. 9 plus b means 2 plus 9, c equal to 11. Like c equal to 11, 7 is initialized. After evaluating this condition, it will be as 11. Now c equal to 11, we need to check for if condition. If any one of the part is true, we can enter the loop, or else we need to skip the if condition and we need to move to else part. So we can evaluate this condition. And also this is pseudocode that is based on operator precedence. Like we can evaluate inside brackets, but we are having less than and also xr. So we need to follow the operator precedence. Like this one, we need to, this is the operator precedence table. If you find this useful, you can take a screenshot and you can memorize it. And we are having less than is here, and also we are having a or. So we need to evaluate less than and we need to evaluate or. This is the operator precedence we need to follow. So in this case, first we need to evaluate like a plus 6. A plus 6 means uh, 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 means 6. Less than 6 minus a. 6 minus a means 6 minus 0. It will be giving 6. So 6 less than 6. It is false. So we can evaluate the second condition, like 8 less than a. 8 less than a means 8 less than 0. Both are false. So it will return false only. So if condition is false, we need to move on to the else part. Like in else part, they have defined like b equal to 10 plus a and c equal to 4 plus b. First we need to do this thing. B equal to 10 plus a. 10 plus a means 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0 means 10. B equal to 10. We need to cancel 2 and we need to increment b to 10. This one. And we need to find this one also. C equal to 4 plus b. 4 plus b means 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 means 14. So the current values of A, B, C will be 0, 10 and 14 respectively. So this condition is ended and we need to move on to this line, A plus B plus C. So we need to add all these values, like A equal to 0, B equal to 10 and C equal to 14. So 0 plus 10 plus 14, it will become 24. So 24 will be the final answer for this pseudocode. So this is a final answer. If you have any doubts regarding the pseudocodes, please leave them in the comment section. We will reply you. So we are moving to the second, third question. This is a third question. Like here also they have given like P, Q, R are all in integer type, and they have set P equal to 5, Q equal to 8, and R equal to 10. These are the values that is been initialized in the start of the program. We need to evaluate this condition, like P plus Q. P plus Q means 13 greater than, R minus P means R minus P 5. So 13 greater than 5. So the condition is true. So we can enter the if part. P equal to 10 plus P. We need to increment P by 10. P is 5. So we need to add 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 means 15. So the current value of P is 15. We can skip this else part and we need to go to this line, P equal to P plus R. P plus R means current value of P is 15. R means 10. So 15 plus 10, it will become 25. So we need to assign 25 to P. This is a current value of 25. And we need to check for this condition. P and 10 and R greater than 5 and P. We need to evaluate this one first and this one next. So we can evaluate this one. P and 10 and R. For this AND operation, the associativity rule will be from left to right. So we can do P and 10 and the result to result and R. Got it right? So we can see the solution like P and 10 and R greater than 5 and P. Like we need to evaluate P and 10 first. The value of P is 25 and the value of 10 itself is 10. So we need to evaluate for AND operation. After evaluating, we will be getting like 1 0 0 0. 25 and P, it will become 8. So 8 and P, we will be getting like 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 0. We need to perform the AND operation. So this itself throws 1 0 0 0. The value of this entire part will be 8. And we need to evaluate this thing 5 and P. 5 and P means 5 and P's value is 25. So 5 and 25. This 5 and 25. After evaluating, we will be getting 1. So 8 greater than 1. So the condition is true. This if condition is true. So we can evaluate this one. So R equal to P plus P plus P. So we can simply say like 3P. We need to multiply 3 2P. Like the existing value of P is 25. 3 into 25 means 75. So 75 is the current value of R. We need to evaluate that and we need to assign that value to R, not to P. So we can skip this end if line and next Q equal to 9 plus Q. We need to increment Q by 9. This is a meaning of this line. So Q is already 8. So we need to increment by 9. So it will become 17. So the current values of PQR is 25, 17 and 75 respectively. So we need to print P plus Q plus R. P plus Q plus R. Like 25 plus 17 plus 75. It will become 117. So we need to mark D as a correct answer. Got it right? If you find this video useful, please like the video and share to your college group so that they will also get benefited. So we can move to the fourth question. This is the fourth question. Like PQR, they have given like they have also set the values for PQR, P equal to 5, Q equal to 2 and R equal to 7. We need to check for this if condition like R plus Q. R plus Q means 9. 9 greater than P minus R. P minus R means minus 2. So the condition is true. Here the condition is true. So we can enter the if condition. So R equal to R plus P. R plus P means R plus P, like 12. We need to assign 12 to R. We need to cancel out 7 and we need to update the value of R to 12. We need to check for this condition also, like Q XOR R XOR P less than R XOR P less than XOR Q. Like there is a formula like A XOR B XOR C equal to B XOR C XOR A. Like it will be equal, not less than or greater than. Will be like that. So this condition will be false. So we can enter the else part. Like 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 means 9. 9 plus P. We need to add 9 to the value of P. So 5 plus 9. 14. 14 is the current value of P. So we need to move to this line. P equal to Q plus Q. Q plus Q means 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 means 4. So we need to assign the value of 4 to P. So these are all the current values of P, Q, R respectively. So we need to finally add P, Q, R. P plus Q plus R. It will become 4 plus 2 plus 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. So 18 will be our final answer. We need to mark this one. Final question of this video. You will be having like A comma B comma C variables are set to integer data type, and they have also initialized like A equal to 7, B equal to 6, and C equal to 5. A equal to 7, B equal to 6, and C equal to 5. And we need to evaluate this expression, get the value of B. 2x or 9 plus B. We need to evaluate this one first. 2x or 9. 2x or 9. We need to convert 2 and 9 to its binary formats. Like the value of the binary format of 2 will be 0, 0, 1, 0. And the binary format of 9 will be 1, 0, 0, 1. We are having the binary format for these two values. We need to evaluate this thing. Like in a XOR operation, I have already said, like if we are having different inputs, we will be getting true as out, or else we will be getting 0. 0, 1. It will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It will become 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. The value of this thing will be 8 plus 2 plus 1. It will become 11. So the value of this part will be 11. So 11 plus B. The value of B is 6. So 11 plus 6 means 17. So B equals 17. For each, we need to run this for loop first. C will be having values of 5, 6, 7. So we need to start the first iteration like C equal to 5, C equal to 5. In the fifth line, they have given C plus 11 plus B. C plus 11 means C will be 5. Plus 11, it will become 16. So 16 plus B. B is 17. So 16 plus 17, it will become 33 in the first line. So we can move to the next line. A plus A and ampersand A. We need to evaluate this thing, A plus A. A plus A means 33 plus 33. It will become 66, 66 and 33. We need to evaluate for this bitwise operation. The binary format for 66 will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. And the binary format for 33 will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. We are having binary format for 66 and 33. So we need to evaluate for this bitwise AND operation. So bitwise AND will be indicating like if we are having true in the both inputs, we'll be getting true as output, or else it will be false. So if we are checking for all these inputs, we'll be getting 0, since there is no same inputs. Like I mean 1, 1. If we are having 1, 1, it will become 1. Otherwise, it will throw 0 only. So for this one, we will be having 0. So A equal to 0 for the first iteration. In the second iteration, we will be having C equal to 6. C equal to 6. C plus 11. C plus 11 means 6 plus 11. 17. 17 plus B. B will be 17. So 17 plus 17, it will become 34. And the next line, A plus A. A plus A means 34 plus 34. It will become 68. And A will be 34. The binary format for these two values is these one respectively. Like for 68, it will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And for binary format for 34 is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. After evaluating like same operation of bitwise AND, it will throw zeros out. So for the second iteration, we are having A equal to 0. We need to move to third iteration. C equal to 7. So C equal to 7. In the first line, we will be having A equal to C plus 11 plus B. C plus 11 means 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11, 18 plus B. The value of B is 17. So 18 plus 17. It will become 35. The next line, A plus A. A plus A means 70, 70 and A. A will be 35. So 70 and device and 35. So binary format for 70 is 10000110, and the binary format for 35 is 01000011. So we need to evaluate based on bitwise AND operation. Uh, Considering all these inputs, we'll be having 1 1 in this part alone. So it will throw 1. For all our parts, there will be 0 as output. So the value of 70 and 35 will become 2. So the value of A is 2 in the third iteration and also the final iteration. We have evaluated and ran C equal to 5, 6, 7. And we can end the for loop, and we need to evaluate this thing. A XOR 3 plus A. We need to evaluate this condition. This expression, I mean, A XOR 3. A XOR means 2 XOR. The final value of A after all the iteration is 2. So we can pick A equal to 2. So A XOR 3. So 2 XOR 3 plus A. A means 2. So 2 XOR 3 plus 2. We need to evaluate this thing. 2 XOR 3. 2 XOR 3 means the binary format for 2 is 1 0. Binary format for 3 is 1 1. For XOR operation, we will be having different inputs. Like here are same input and here is a different input. So we can give 1 here and 0 here. So the value of 0, 1 is 1. So the value of this part is 1. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. We need to assign the value of 3 to B. And lastly, we need to print A plus B. The final value of B is 3 and final value of A is 2. Like we need to add these two values, A plus B. That means 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 will be our final answer. We need to mark B option. And that's all for this video. If you like this video helpful, please like the video and share to your friends so they can also get benefited. If you have any doubts regarding placements, kindly drop that in comment section. We will reply you. And thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. And one more thing, uh, many pseudocodes will be based on the operator precedence. So try to memorize this thing, or else you can take a screenshot to read this in future. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.